Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to our SharePoint Developer and Power BI course. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive journey from beginner basics to advanced skills. Over the next few slides, we'll explore how these tools can transform your workflows and data insights. So let's get started and explore what's ahead in this exciting course. So what exactly is SharePoint? Well, at its core, it's a powerful collaboration platform from Microsoft designed to help teams work together more effectively. Think of it as a web-based hub where you can manage documents and content in a centralized way, making sharing and collaboration seamless. It offers features like lists, libraries, and pages, which allow you to organize information and create dynamic, user-friendly sites. And for automating routine tasks, Power Automate integrates smoothly within this environment, helping streamline workflows without needing extensive coding skills. Speaking of customization, SharePoint also supports development using the SharePoint Framework, or SPFX, which means developers can build tailored solutions that fit specific business needs. Lastly, it integrates deeply with Microsoft 365 and the Power Platform. That means you can connect SharePoint with tools like Power BI, Power Apps, and Teams, creating a cohesive ecosystem where data flows freely and productivity soars. Overall, SharePoint isn't just about storing documents. It's about creating a collaborative, integrated environment that empowers teams to work smarter and more efficiently. Now, let's take a closer look at the SharePoint platform overview. First, we have SharePoint Online and On-Premise. SharePoint Online is the cloud-based version, offering flexibility and scalability, while on-premise refers to the traditional local server setup. Both serve the same core purpose, collaborating and managing content, but they differ in deployment and management. Moving on, within SharePoint, we work with entities like sites, lists, libraries, and pages. Think of sites as containers for related content, lists as structured data collections, libraries as document repositories, and pages as the actual web pages that display content. These building blocks are fundamental because they shape how users interact with and organize information. Next, we have the APIs, REST API and JSON or CSON. REST API is a web-based interface that allows us to interact with SharePoint data using standard HTTP methods, making it great for cross-platform development. JSON and CSON are client-side object models that provide more direct, object-oriented ways to work with SharePoint data, especially useful in custom solutions. Finally, there's the SharePoint Framework, or SPFX, which is the modern development framework for building custom solutions. It enables us to create web parts, extensions, and other customizations that seamlessly integrate into SharePoint pages, offering a consistent user experience and better performance. Throughout this overview, the key idea is understanding the different layers and tools available, whether it's the environment, the building blocks, or the development frameworks, that empower us to create tailored, efficient solutions on the SharePoint platform. Now, on this slide, we're looking at the tools and skills you'll gain through this program. First up, we have SharePoint lists, libraries, and pages. These are the core building blocks for creating and managing content within SharePoint. Understanding how to use these effectively will enable you to organize information and build user-friendly sites. Next, we move into automation and app development with Power Automate, Power Apps, and REST API. These tools are essential for streamlining processes, building custom applications, and integrating different systems seamlessly. They really open up a lot of possibilities for creating efficient workflows. We also cover SPFX development with React, which is about creating modern, responsive web parts. This is crucial for customizing SharePoint in a way that feels intuitive and professional. It's a skill that combines development expertise with a focus on user experience. Moving on, we have Power BI Desktop and Service. These tools are about turning data into insights. You'll learn how to visualize complex data sets and make data-driven decisions, which are vital in today's business environment. Finally, we touch on DAX, Power Query, and RLS. These are advanced data modeling and security techniques. DAX helps you create sophisticated calculations, Power Query simplifies data transformation, and RLS, row-level security, lets you control access to data at a granular level. All of these skills are interconnected and align with the overall theme of empowering you to become a versatile, innovative, and data-savvy professional in today's digital workplace. All right, now let's walk through our knowledge checklist to make sure we're solid on the key concepts. First up, building SharePoint custom apps. This is all about creating tailored solutions that fit our organization's unique needs. It's essential because it allows us to extend SharePoint's capabilities beyond the out-of-the-box features. Next, creating and automating workflows. This helps us streamline processes, reduce manual effort, and improve efficiency across teams. Then, we have developing SPFX web parts, which are powerful tools for customizing our SharePoint pages with modern, responsive components. This is crucial for delivering a richer user experience. Moving on, building Power BI dashboards. This is about turning data into visual insights that are easy to understand and act upon. Data visualization is at the heart of making informed decisions. Finally, securing data with RLS, or row-level security. This ensures that users only see data they're authorized to view, maintaining privacy and compliance. Connecting all these points, they form the backbone of a robust, secure, and user-centric SharePoint environment. Mastering these skills means you can build dynamic, secure, and efficient solutions that truly support your organization's goals. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I truly appreciate your engagement throughout this journey. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a final thought. Be prepared to step into the roles of SharePoint developer and Power BI analyst. These are dynamic, in-demand roles that require a solid grasp of both technical skills and strategic thinking. Remember, the key is to keep practicing, stay curious, and continuously build on what we've covered. This presentation is designed to equip you with the foundational knowledge and confidence to succeed in these areas. So, go forward with enthusiasm and confidence. You're ready to make an impact. Thank you once again, and I wish you the very best in your future endeavors.